And now we just saw a news item quoting Speaker Alvarez saying that somebody must be out to silence Sebastian. Ano na naman ang mga implication nila? Kagagawan ko na naman yan. Sila ang naggigipit sa akin. Masyado na nila akong ginigipit, inaapi, tapos ganyan pang gagawin nila. Lahat na lang sinisisi sa akin. And they call themselves men. Ganyan ba mga lalaki? They're cowards. They're fools. And they're liars. That is the bunch of officials that we have now.
President Duterte, Zen Hernandez po, ABS-CBN. Your reaction lang to a press con by Senator De Lima saying that there are forces, elements around you who are taking advantage of your, well, anger or hatred sa kanya dahil po sa 2009 investigation of EJK.
Look, she was the chairperson of the Human Rights for many years. She was the Secretary of Justice for many years. She has been a senator for a time now. In all of these events in her life, she talked about me harping on extrajudicial killing. And yet, to that date, no case is filed. I was investigated once by the rapport, Philip Alston, and she was to have me investigated again by the UN through a new. Ako yung in the opinion, tapos ako po, you know, I'd like to, in all sincerity, as a human being, I think, honestly, I'm not trying to derogate her. She's a lawyer. She's bright. I think she's breaking down. I would suggest that she takes days off, then maybe, you know, I am afraid that I said, if she continues yakking there and listening to, she will have a nervous breakdown.
Sir, she dared the government to arrest her if you have evidence.
Anong gawain ko sa kanya? I-recommend ko siya sa anong ba films o yung sa ABS-CBN kahapon lamang.
Joseph.
Actually, except for itong drugs linking her sa I think the most serious charge against her is the portals of the national government has been opened by her election as senator because of the drug money. We are now in narco-politics. Let kayong lahat, huwag ninyong bulahin sarili nyo. 92% of the total barangays in the Philippines are affected with drugs. There are 11,000 mga pulis. Wag, hindi ikaw. Pulis yan eh. And about 16,000 barangay captains. That is why I am not in favor of calling an election now. Drug money will flow down to the basic unit, the barangays, and it will strengthen the hold of narco politics now existing in our country. It behoves upon me to tell you what is the truth and prevent something catastrophic in the future. 4 million drug addicts, I said, is no joke. My God. Yes, sir.
Joseph Morong of GMA.
Sir, good afternoon po. Sir, yung kahapon, may apology tayo dun sa tatlo na tao. Sir, does it not put to question yung credibility ng ibang mga drug list natin?
No, I don't. Because kasi yung magkasama eh. So if you are together, but you know the law, mere presence of someone else's crime does not make you a criminal too. mere passive presence of another person's crime cannot make you a criminal. That is the rule. Na sa lahat, from police to military, merong isang, suddenly it's a bold underscored, then it becomes thin. Then hindi ko mahanap ang koneksyon. Now, I said it is my duty to tell the nation what's happening. But it is also my duty that if I commit wrong, I should apologize. That is the way to go in this world. So I am again, for the third time and the last time, I am offering my apology to Governor Espino, si Season, kasi hindi talaga clear. But, yung baraan na yon, Undersecretary, kasama yon doon sa matrix. Kasama yon, sigurado ako. Yung kapatid niyang si Baraan pababa, this guy was already dismissed from government service. Why? Because convicted na siya for smuggling of our metallic black sand. Si Espino, it has nothing to do with drugs, but he's also facing a charge in the Sandigan, same, smuggling of black sand. Metallic yan eh. Pero kung may kaso pa, wala na. Pero yung sa drugs, hindi ko talaga makita yung linya. And as a lawyer, when you make public a certain wrong against a person, you'd have effectively destroyed his reputation. So kaya, fair is fair. Wala naman akong kung nagkamali ako. Marami akong pagkakamali sa buhay.
So, sir,
I will not pretend that I am perfect. I have so many faults in life, but I've never been faulty in the choice of...
sige, sir. Kopya, sir. Sir, so ibig
Okay lang
sabihin,
yun, ha?
sir, ibig sabihin, sir, with regard to the other narco list, you're standing by the information that we have released so far. Yung pong ibang mga listahan.
Ganito yan. The latest, I hope I will, inshallah, pagbalik ko, I will have one session with the media and I will read. This would be again about the judges, some congressmen, mayors, marami, barangay captains, halos lahat, and the police. Military, 1 or 2. So, I go now.
One last question, Mr. President, from Bing
You-
Habadan of Daily Shimbun.
That lady there, you can come with me and I can buy a plane. I'll buy your ticket coming back.
Hi, Mr. President. Good afternoon. I'm Bing Habadan from the Daily Manila Shimbun. Sir, Senator De Lima was asking if may gusto daw po ba kayo sa kanya?
Ano? Ano, ulit mo?
She was asking, sir, kung may gusto daw po ba kayo sa kanya?
Thank you.